What's up guys, Chris Jordan here. Welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be going over sticky reviews, which is a social proof and reputation type software where you basically are able to generate pop-up forms on your website. It's pretty simple. If you don't know the actual math behind it, if you have something that pops up on your website that shows that someone else likes your offer or likes your product or whatever, you get higher conversions, you save on acquisition, you increase visitors' trust, and you increase your social influence. So, sticky reviews is pretty simple, very easy to set up. You can also have review links and things like that. You could actually send out review links and have people review, give their thoughts on your website or your product or your offer, and then you can actually filter out those reviews to only show the ones that's good. It's never going to show a bad review on your website. If it meets the filters, then it's going to show up on your website. If not, it's not going to show up on your website. So I've been collecting reviews for myself recently. I've been just having people on trials, for certain softwares or whatever. So on the 31st or November 1st, I'm going to be collecting all those reviews. I'm going to be collecting reviews for Friend Connector and a ton of other software that I've sold. So let's actually go inside so I can show you exactly how easy it is to use sticky reviews so you aren't caught out here, not knowing what the hell you're doing. So I'm just going to log in with this email. Go here. Show you how easy this is. So this is my Chris Prince Consulting account, but I'm actually just going to use Silverfox as a example for this. As you see, the dashboard is pretty simple. Brief overview of sticky reviews. There's training all on the inside, so it's pretty simple. If you just want to skip this entire video and you need sticky reviews, you can skip it because all the training is on the inside. But this is the dashboard. There's branding, sticky reviews, campaigns. Campaigns are the things that's going to pop up on your website. You have exit pop-ups, review links, and subscribed emails. So let's just go into branding. Pretty simple. I already told you I'm going to be using, my site for this example. So with the branding, you literally just create, with sticky reviews, there's no sticky reviews branding. You just put your own brand URL on there. Like some other platforms where, you may have a pop-up on your website or whatever. I'm not sure. I think Social Proof does this. I'm not actually sure. But there's a ton of different other pop-up software, social proof, reputation management softwares out there where you would create the pop-up, but it would still have their branding on there, sticker reviews. You get to put your own brand on there. It's not going to have the sticker reviews brand. So that's pretty simple. Then there's sticky reviews, the actual reviews. You can add a review. If you get a review from someone, you can add the review in here, or you can send them a review link, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be adding reviews personally, but here's how it looks. You can see the sticker review name. You could say, you could fill it out. You could rate it. You could add your brand name. Like I said, it's going to show up your business. It's not going to show up anybody else's. You can upload the image of the person, description. You have the review type, so it could be a textual, audio, video. You can select the time and date the review was sent in, and you can select the tag. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. There's campaigns. These are the things that's going to pop up. This is an example campaign. So John Vaughn. But all you do with campaigns are the reviews that's going to pop up on your website. So we can literally create a campaign inside of here, campaign name, domain name. You can make it rounded, square, teardrop, square elevated, teardrop elevated. It's pretty simple. You can select a custom domain. You could delay before, the start, the timing, the stay timing, how long it stays on there, and the interval between reviews. You could loop the sticky reviews so it repeats itself. You could add your branding again if you want. You could add a exit pop-up exit pop-up as well. So all you do is that once you fill that out, you save the campaign. Pretty simple. Then there's the exit pop-ups. If you want to add an exit pop-up as well. So you can literally create an exit pop-up, You can add a click to action, so you can get people to subscribe inside of sticky reviews as well. So you can add an email field. Pretty simple campaign. Button text subscribe, take a break, take a look, header text. You can change all these things. Literally, you can have people subscribing to your pop-ups from sticky reviews. So random people come to your website and they want to exit the pop-up. If they're interested, they'll put in their email. You can send that off. They'll put in their email. You could create a zap for that with Zapier, send that off to your email list. Pretty simple, super powerful, super, super powerful. And then you could choose the visual appearance, all that type of stuff. This is an example how it looks right now. If I wanted to change some things, it would change. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. And you obviously think by this point you really need this, because I'm going to be adding this to all my funnels and websites. So then here's the review link. The review link is pretty simple. You create the review link, you create a URL slug, you can auto approve. I only recommend doing auto approve if you have filters set up, so you don't have any. Well, you're not going to get any bad reviews on your. And it's not going to add any bad reviews to your campaign as well. I mean, at all. But I would just do auto approve. Just turn it on. And like I said, define minimum rating. You could define it at 4 stars. You could define that 2 stars. You could define that 1 star. It doesn't matter. So if it doesn't have any of these, for example, if we choose 4 stars, if it has anything less than 4 stars, it's not showing up. So that's something that's pretty simple, straight to the point. You could add it to a campaign. You could add it to a custom domain. Add the image. Add description. Enter a description. Sorry. You can have a positive review message where this is the thing that's going to pop up on your website. You can have negative info 2. Next step. Actually, I'm going to fill this out just for you guys. Test. Let's add it to here. Logo is required. Do I actually want to add a logo? I'm probably not going to do this. I'll probably do this in a different video. So I already have the logo set up because I don't want to go into my files looking for a logo or anything. Actually, I could drag and drop an image. So, let's just go let's go with Conor McGregor. Well, I didn't expect that to pop up first. Let's go with Conor McGregor. This is not to say I like him. This is just something that popped up in my head. Okay, never mind. So it just took me all the way out. So I thought I could drag, drop it. So let me actually go back. Okay, it brought me back. So I thought I could drag, drop it, and it didn't let it work. Maybe it's because, I don't know. Maybe it's just not working for me that one time. I don't know, but that's how you add a review link. It's pretty simple. And then you get your subscribed emails. Like I said, you can zap these emails off straight to your email list or straight somewhere else. It's super powerful. If you're not using social proof or reputation management software, you need to do it because it's proven to increase your conversions by a lot. Like I said, on the 31st or November 1st, I'm going to be collecting all the reviews from trials I then put people on. I do want to make this clear. I am partnered with Tier 5. I just do it under my own brand. I sell the software under my own brand, SilverFox 8. But I am going to be collecting reviews. I'm going to send them a review link, let them review it, and then literally add that snippet code and put it on my website for that specific software. So sticky reviews is pretty simple, straight to the point. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I hope I haven't spent too much time on it. But that's it for this video, and take care.